Hello everyone, myself Sai Prasad, a lecturer in Ahmedabad High School and the Junior College. Welcome to a series of the lectures of 10th class maths. We have started a discussion of statistics in our previous sessions. We have completed the topic that is mean. We have solved the three different methods of mean, that is direct method, assumed mean method and step deviation method. Today we are going to start a new topic, that is mode. Hopefully you know the actual meaning of mean. Mean is actually the average value. For example, if I have 10 things, or else let us assume only 5 things. Okay? If I have 5 things, on an average I will tell like that. For example, out of 100 I got 60, 60, 60, 60, 60. What is a percentage? That is 60% is a marks. That is, you will add everything and divide by your total marks, right? We have 5 subjects, or let us assume we have 6 subjects, right? We will add all the marks which we got and we will divide it by total 600, then we will get the percentage, right? That is nothing but a mean, or else it can be called as average. Okay? And what is median? Median is actually a mid value, which means, for example, I have 10 elements. First of all, I will arrange either in the ascending order or in the descending order. Then I will choose an exact mid value, that is nothing but my median. Okay? Then what about mode? A mode is a number which is highly repeating. For example, let us say I got 60, 60, 65, 65, 60. How many 60s did I tell? I told 3 60s, which means 60 is repeating more times. Then my mode is 60. Is it clear? Let us have more discussion about each and everything. Now, as we have discussed in our introduction, we know that mode is the highest repeating data. Is it right? For example, if I have got 60, 60, 65, 65, 60, which is the highest repeating number? 60. Then it is, the mode is 60. Mode is nothing but the highest repeating number. Okay? In order to find the mode of an ungrouped data or also a group data, the mode formula is given by L plus F1 minus F0 by 2F1 minus F0 minus F2 into H. What is this L? That is the lower limit of a particular modal class. Which class is considered to be modal class? Modal class means you will have different classes, right? The class in which the frequency is highest, right, will have separate frequencies, right? The frequency which is highest among all the frequencies, we will consider that class as modal class, modal. Is it okay? The lower limit of that particular modal class is nothing but your L. The frequency of that is F1, the frequency just above that, that is F2, below that is, I mean this is F0 and below that is F2, and H is obviously the class length. Is it clear? Just try to remember L plus F1 minus F0 by 2F1 minus F0 minus F2 into H. Is it clear? Do not forget these representation. Is it clear? Shall we move on to the problems? Let us do. Now see here, the question given here it is, he is asking us to find mode for this question, that is, he gave the class intervals from 5 to 15, 15 to 20 and so on up to 55 to 65. Okay. Now next see here, let us draw everything. Okay. What are frequencies? 6, 11, 21, 23, 14 and 5. Now tell me, what is the formula of mode? Mode is equal to L plus F1 minus F0, 2F1 minus F0 minus F2 into H. First of all, how do we choose the modal class? We choose modal class by considering its maximum number. Where is the maximum frequency? This is my modal class. Is it okay? The frequency is maximum here, right? That will be my F1. Okay, and above that will be F0 and below that is F2. Is it okay? Now write here modal class is 35 to 45, where lower limit L is equal to 35, okay, F1 is 23, F0 is 21, F2 is 14. What is H? This is F1. What is H? The difference between 35 and 45, which is 10. Let us directly substitute now. Mode is equal to 35 plus F1 minus F0, 23 minus 21 by 2 into 23 minus 21 minus 14 into 10. right, 35 plus 23 minus 21 is 2 divided by 23 2s are 46 minus 21 plus 14, how much is it? 4 plus 1 is 5, 35 into 10. 35 plus 2 by 46 minus 35, how much is it? 11 into 10. Okay. Now, let us cross multiply, or else let us either we can divide it and multiply with this, or else we can take cross multiplication. Let us divide 20 by 11. 20 divided by 11, 11 ones are 11, 9 will be left, 1.8. 35 plus 1.8, which is nothing but 36.8 is the mode for this particular question. Is it right? Once again, let us see. There is a question given. There is nothing to do, only draw the table, draw class and frequency, right? Check which is the highest frequency is there, make it as F1, above is F0, below is F2. Okay, and the class is modal class. It is called as modal class. Hence, we are calculating mode, the class will be modal class, right. The next is, this will be lower limit, this will be F1, F0 and F2. Just directly substituting and finding the value of mode, we got it as 36.8. Is it clear? Shall we move on to the next problem? Let us do one more. Now see here, the question given here is, he gave number of cards and frequency. Again they gave a table, we will draw the table as it is and we will write the formula of mode. What is the formula of mode? L plus F1 minus F0 by 2F1 minus F0 minus F2 into H. Okay. How do we choose the modal class? That is the maximum number. Where is it? Here it is the maximum frequency. Then this will be your modal class. Is it okay? Now let us take what is F1, or first of all let us write modal class is 42 minus 50, where lower limit is 40, frequency F1 is 20, this is F0 and this is F2. F0 is 12, F2 is 11. What is H here? 10, right? Let us substitute everything in the formula. Therefore, mode is equal to L, lower limit, that is 40 plus F1 minus F0, 20 minus 12 divided by 2 into 20 minus 12 minus 11 into 10. Isn't it? 40 plus 20 minus 12 is 8, 2 into 20 is 40 minus 23 into 10. 40 plus 80 divided by, here it is 17, right. Now let us divide 80 by 17. 80 divided by 17 is 17 5s is 85, right. Then 17 4s is 68. If we subtract, I will get it as 12. Let me put point, I will get 120, right. Then 17 7s is 119. Okay, it is 40 plus 4.7, therefore the answer is 44.7. That is my mode. Okay. Is it clear? Once again let me see this. The question given here, it is again they gave the class intervals, they gave the frequencies. First of all, we have to choose which is the modal class. Modal class is the class in which the highest frequency is there. Here is the higher frequency, therefore this will be my modal class, in which the lower limit is 40, F1, F2 and F0, F0, F1, F2 values we will substitute in the formula and we will get the answer. Okay. Shall we move on to the next concept? Fine, let us do. Let us discuss median now. What is median? Median, as we have discussed in our introduction, median is a middle value when a data is represented either in ascending order or in the descending order. Then if our data is not is an ungrouped data, it is a grouped data, then how to do? That is, this is the formula. If they give class interval and frequency, the L is the median class lower limit. Okay. L is lower limit of median class. Okay. As we have modal class, here also we will have median class. N is total frequencies, Cf is cumulative frequency of preceding class of median. F is obviously median class frequency, frequency of median class, H is class length. Is it okay? The formula is L plus n by 2 minus Cf by F into H. Then how do we calculate the median class? Median class is, first of all we will do n by 2, right? We will do n by 2 and we will check in the Cf, that is cumulative frequency. What is that? We will add frequency in every step, that is cumulative frequency. Okay. Shall we do one problem? Let us do. Now see here, the question given here, it is, he is asking us to find median for this question. That is what all we have to write? Class and the next frequency. Let us write this first: 65 to 85, 85 to 105, 105 to 125, 125 to 145, 145 to 165, 165 to 185, 185 to 205, and frequencies are 4, 5, 13, 20, 14, 8 and 4, right. What is the formula here? I know that median is equal to L plus n by 2 minus Cf by F into H. In order to find Cf, I have to find cumulative frequency. What do you mean by the term cumulative frequency? You would have heard in 9th class, right? I have to write 4 first, then add the next frequency. 4 plus 5 is 9, 9 plus 13 is 22, 42, 46, 56, 56, 64, 64, 68, isn't it? This is my cumulative frequency. Then how to find the median class? In order to find the median class, we have to find n here. N is nothing but the total frequency. Let us add now. 9, right? 9 plus 3 is 12, 16, 28, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 68 is total n. In order to find the median class, I have to find n by 2 value, that is 68 by 2, which is 34. Where does this 34 lie? In Cf, let us check. 34 lies between 22 and 42, right? Therefore, this will be your median class. Don't get confused. See here, in assumed mean and step deviation method of a mean, we will take some assumed value, most probably the middle value as assumed mean. And when it comes to mode, we will take the highest number of frequency. When it comes to median, we will just divide the total frequency and check where does this number lie. Okay, then this will be my median class. This is F, this is L, and this is Cf. Let us substitute it. Median is equal to L plus n by 2 is 34 minus what is Cf, cumulative frequency of preceding class, 22 by F is 20 into H. H is the difference of these two. 145 minus 125 is 20. Cancel these both, right? Then it will be 125 plus 34 minus 22, 4 minus 2 is 2, 3 minus 2 is 1. 125 plus 12 is 137. Is it clear? Fine. This is nothing but a median. Okay. Now, once again see here, whatever the question given here is, you have to find the median of a particular class and frequency. The formula is L plus n by 2 minus Cf by F into H. N is the total frequency, Cf is the cumulative frequency of the preceding class, F is the frequency of that median class, H is class length, L is lower limit of this median class. Is it okay? After writing that, we will substitute in the formula. Okay. This is for today. Let us have few more problems of median, that is finding some F kind of questions, and we will conclude with the OGIF graph. Okay, is it clear for today? Fine, let us meet in the next class with a new topic of statistics. Thank you.